Hello, it's Vesna here and welcome to Vesna TV Home. And let's get decorating. So here are the items that I'm going to be using. I may add more as I fill up the tray. I'm not using that cloche, it just happened to be on this buffet here. So I'm going to be using my DIY snowman sign over there, the Farm Fresh sign, as well as the Happy Holidays. The Farm Fresh and the snowman are my DIYs that I'll share with you as well. And then I have my joy blocks, which you can kind of see underneath here. I'll be using those as well, and I'll link them to the description below, actually sorry, above, to the little card above. I also have my little gnome that I'll be using in there, some floral picks, and the little snowman. The snowman is from the Dollar Tree, as is that little sign, and the rest of the stuff is our DIYs, which, as I said, I'll link above in the little cards. So here's what it looks like when I start to put it together. So when I start to put it together, I always try to do the larger items that are tall at the very top. Then I try to fill in with the big bulky items, and then I use the little things to go through. And I always have to raise it a little bit. So as you can see under the joy, I have put some blocks under there just to raise it so you can see it nicely. And then I go ahead and I fill it with smaller items to make it look a bit fuller. I oftentimes have a hard time with these trays. Sometimes I overdo it and I put too much stuff in, or I don't put enough. So I really kind of stand back and I look at it and see if I want to add some more stuff. And then I wind up adding more stuff. So you can see here, I've actually added a little red pickup truck that I got off of AliExpress, 2 trees, and then I've added some florals. And I've done this because I found that the tray was looking a little bit empty and a little bit sad, so this makes it a bit fuller. And the little picks are from the Dollar Tree as well, and they're just kind of sticking out there, filling up the back. The tray, you can't see the back very well, but you can see the side, so I wanted to make sure that everything was filled in. So I now have 3 trays that I decorate, and for this one I wanted it to be kind of like a wintry wonderland with a nice little red truck theme. I'm in love with this red pickup truck, so I am putting it in almost everything. And then I had my little snowman, which, you know, winter snow, winter wonderland. I thought it would fit perfectly, and it's all very rusticy, farmhousey, which is kind of always the look that I'm going for. I love these berries and picks because they look like they're frosted with snow, and they just add to the decor so much and make it look so whimsical and wintry and beautiful. And it's not too Christmassy. I mean, I guess the joy, I know it is Christmassy, but I love it either way. My name is Vesna, and this is my home channel where I do home tours, thrift hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, and some renovations. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. If you're interested in DIYs, you can head on over to Vesna TV, where I do all of my DIYs, and I'll have it linked in my description below. This video is a part of a challenge hosted by Sonia over at Domestic Diva DIY, as well as Yanni and Diane from Deco Easy. If you haven't checked out these ladies, please make sure you check them out. Sonia does a ton of amazing DIYs. She's also got a cooking channel and a home channel and a DIY channel, so check her out. And Yanni and Diane are actually mother-in-law and daughter-in-law, and they run their channel together, and they do fabulous DIYs, home decors, all sorts of stuff. So make sure you check out both channels. They'll be linked in my description below, and check out the playlist. There'll be some super creative inspirations for tier tray decor, and it is a Christmas theme. So if you're looking at how to decorate your tray, this is the playlist you want to watch. So I will have their channels and the playlist linked in my description below, so make sure you check everything out. So here's the tray once again. I actually wound up adding my little DIY ornament there into the tray. It has the cute little red trailer and a Christmas tree in it, so I thought it would work really well in here. And I wound up adding even more pics in there. So if you liked this tray, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think, how you decorate your tray, what you like. Do you make it a theme or do you just kind of do a mishmash of stuff? Let me know what you do. And check out the playlist, check out the hosts of this challenge, and take a look at my videos that I've recommended throughout this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have an excellent day, and don't forget to subscribe.